So here we are, day 2 at Custer, and we rode out from French Creek Horse Camp on Centennial 89, and we're riding back on Calkins and planning to do part of the French Creek Trail and back in. It's another beautiful day. Be again about 68 degrees. It's breezy. It's been sunny, just about perfect riding weather. It's just been so nice. It's another beautiful day where we're, riding, most of us in long sleeves, and there's no humidity, so the horses, they're a little sweaty, but it's just evaporating off of them. And yeah, it's sure been nice. Sure been nice. Oh, Casper's got an itch. Unexpected stop there, but that's okay. So yeah, the trail here changes quite a bit. Some of it's wide like this and almost kind of a maintenance road. And some of it's a little one-horse pig path. Yeah, in this park you can ride wherever you want. This is one of the few parks where you don't have to stay on the trail. You can go out and adventure ride and do some brush popping if you want to. But yeah, it's sure nice. We haven't seen a buffalo today. We've seen buffalo sign. See some of these little evergreens or spruces, whatever they are, bent over and kind of tore up, and you'll see some stumps that are all polished off at the top from the buffalo rubbing on them. And the buffaloes will, bison will dig these kind of holes to kind of wallow in when the bugs are bad, and we've seen some of those. But yeah, no buffalo encounters today, at least not so far. Another really beautiful spot here on Calkins. Riding down into a valley. It's really dramatic. Kind of steep. Kind of rocky. But boy, it's beautiful. Swing around here and kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. Sorry about the motion. We're going down a pretty steep hill. A beautiful spot. And a much needed drink. Oh, it's out of the water. Nice. Casper? Gotta feel good on their feet. So now we're on the French Creek Trail. Headed back to French Creek Horse Camp. Just gonna ride a small part of it today on our way back. Creek is beautiful, and then these bluffs. The bluffs are amazing. I don't know how well you'll be able to see them, but like straight ahead of us, there's bluffs that are probably, I don't know, 80 feet. So down in this part, kind of in the valley, mostly oaks down here. We've seen mostly different kinds of pines and the Black Hills spruce. But down here closer to the water, lots of oaks.
Bighorn sheep aren't very big.